So what am I playing here? I'm playing a Strandberg Boden, which is the body type, the Boden thing. The Strandberg is the brand name. It's a classic. And I was really reluctant to buy any one of these before, because I thought, hey, you got this modern guitar with a lot of modern, really cool features, and then you slap a scratch plate on it and make it look like a Strat almost, right? Or like a Strat you destroyed, basically, right? But it's, it's a combination of something classic and something modern. But I went for it anyway because I really love this color, and this color is just amazing. It really looks great, like a dusty bluish something. It's a little bit more blue on the camera here than it is in reality. I really like it. But once you have it in your hands, also you got this chrome hardware here, along with Strat knobs instead of the modern ones that Strandberg makes themselves. Still the really nice switch down here, which is not Fender or anything like that. It feels and moves the exact same way as the other Strandbergs. But once you look at it and hold it in your hands, it like you fall in love with it pretty quickly. Even though it's an abomination, right? Of something that is perfect like the Strat, and then something new like this. I've done a couple of reviews of these guitars before. But just to run through the features, in the classic models, you don't have a hollow body. You don't have it chambered. And that is to emulate create the punch of the Strat, or the classic sound. And that's about it. And then if you look at it from the back here, we have this little special little thing going on there. We got a very, original almost Fender solution to the trem, which I'm not crazy about on the other guitars, because this is 30s, 40s, 1940s technology that you put in a very modern guitar. And then, I'm not too keen on the screws going into the body. If you screw those in and out too many times, it's wood, for freak's sake, right? You want to have some metal in there that you can screw. It's not good enough. It's not. But that's how it is right now. And then every other detail on this guitar, I'm absolutely crazy about. The neck, the Endure neck, look it up, E-N-D-U-R. It has a flat surface from the low E string, you could say, or the area of the low E string to the high E string. And then it has no shoulders. It has kind of an edge here that it works so beautifully for both that when I grab the neck like that and when I do that kind of playing, it works beautiful. But look into the other videos for more details on that. So this is such an amazing instrument. I have, apart from this, I have only nice things to say about it. It really is the evolution of a classic, and I always hated the shape and the look and feel of headless guitars. I thought they were just destroying a beautiful instrument. But this has its own beauty. The more I look at it, the more I find it even more pretty. Right? It looks like a piece of a puzzle. It really is, and it's completely balanced. And you've got this nice little thing here. Like, I just can't get used to the fact that a normal Strat doesn't have this little thing here, so I can sit like that and slouch back on the couch and practice for hours. It really is great. And the fan frets, and I'm going higher on the neck than I ever did before on any guitar without even realizing it. That you have total, complete, easy access to all the high frets, and then they follow the angle of your fingers incredibly. They're easy to have a low action on because you have a first fret up here. You have no nut, so that really helps. And on this classic here, I got this cool little metal vintage pickup here again on a very modern looking instrument, and then 2 single coils. Look it up on Strandberg's website. I'm not affiliated with them at all, so these words doesn't come from anything else but myself. So that's a little review there. See you around in some other video.